Hi everyone, I'm Jillian here with Easy Coach. Today we're going to be talking about omega-3 fatty acids. Many of you may have heard of omega-3 fatty acids, but you might be unsure about what they are and why they're important for our health. Omega-3 fatty acids have to be obtained from our diet because our body can't produce them. There are three types of omega-3 fatty acids: EPA, DHA, and ALA. Not to be confused with alpha-lipoic acid, that's an antioxidant, which we'll cover in another video. EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids are mainly found in oily fish such as anchovies, sardines, mackerel, salmon, and ALA or alpha-linoleic acid is mainly found in plants such as avocados, olive oil, flax seeds, as well as walnuts. Now, the best question: what are the potential health benefits of including omega-3 fatty acids in your diet or as a supplement? Omega-3 fatty acids may help keep your joints well lubricated, decrease inflammation in your joints as well as in your cardiovascular system, keeping your platelets less sticky, helping the blood move through your whole cardiovascular system with ease, which in turn may help lower your blood pressure. It also helps your skin, reducing acne and wrinkles. As we age, our skin tends to get thinner on the surface, and taking omega-3 fatty acids via your diet or as a supplement can help keep your skin looking nice and full, thereby decreasing wrinkles. It may also help protect vision. So what omega-3 fatty acids do is they help strengthen our cell membranes. Those are all made up of fats, and most importantly, omega-3 fats help keep those nice and strong, so it can help with brain function, vision, and skin, as I said. And in terms of taking an omega-3 supplement, there's a variety of different choices you have, from liquids to very small size soft gels, as well as omega-3s that are coated for people that have some digestive issues. And you can even take krill oil or salmon oil. Both of those are great sources of omega-3s as a supplement because they have very high amounts of DHA, and that's the real important one for our health in our entire body.